Good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to my 2043rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, early in the week, early in the year, let's get right into it. This video coming at you on a Monday. Yes, on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, Jan 14th, 2020. This is a very risky game. You should never try to do this alone. Don't trade alone. Don't sit there and try to figure this out by yourselves. Come to livewithoscar.com. Hang out in my live trading room with my trading community. We are there every day and night. I'm there all the time. Come hang out with us and we'll help teach you the ropes. But just know this is not suitable for all traders. You've got to put your stops in, put them in first. You've got to have money earmarked to be lost. Just remember, it's a tough game if you get this wrong. Know what you're doing, and let's get moving. So, green Omni on the board, even the S&P, NASDAQ, Apple, although many stocks going up, but Apple looks fantastic. All the indices look fantastic right here. E-mini, NASDAQ, E-mini, S&P, the Dow, up, and away. Number 2 on the board, gold, yuck. I showed it to you all last week. I showed it to you in every video, and it's starting to happen. Gold looks like it's going to go down a bit. And then Apple is just running. And boy, Apple's going to take the whole rest of the market up or continue to help the market go higher. I've actually got an Apple trade set up on my Omni at livewithoscar.com. It's an Omni recommendation to get long Apple. So if you'd like to know where, when, how, and all that good stuff, join me at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my live trading room. No credit cards are required. Just sign up with a username, email address, and you're in. I'll see you there. So I've got a few charts for trading on Jan 14th that I think will be helpful to us, and we'll go to those in just a moment. Quick reminder, OmniCamp is coming. Fill out your OmniCamp applications now. Stop what you're doing. You're going to miss your chance. Fill out your OmniCamp applications now because OmniCamp is at the end of February. It comes pretty quickly, guys. I have to plow through each and every one of those applications and see who I'd like to. I'll call you, I'll interview you, and hand choose you to come out to OmniCamp. OmniCamp, only 5 students come out. Well, usually only 5 students come out. That's how I kind of keep it. And we stay together for 4 straight days, 5 nights and 4 days of intense training here, taught by me in Las Vegas. If that sounds interesting to you, it's the last weekend in February. Make sure you fill out your OmniCamp applications now so I can qualify you for a seat. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, we'll start off with the bad. Netflix trade for on Monday, right? I set this up on Sunday night for trading Monday. We wanted to sell Netflix and expected it to get down here. So we took a short Netflix, and this is what happened. Netflix didn't quite cooperate. It went up instead. And that was a bad trade. Did not work. Netflix went up. We got out of the trade, of course, and we have no trade for Netflix for trading on Tuesday. However, we've got an Apple trade. The Apple chart looks fantastic. I don't see why this thing can't be up here very easily, very quickly. Of course, nothing goes straight up, but I think it will work its way up much higher than that. But here for now, it's 330 area. So we are looking to buy Apple on Tuesday. And then you've got the Dow. Looking at this chart, you almost don't need to look at any other reason to want to be long in a small channel, green, inside of a much larger channel in blue. I think it looks fantastic. This is probably some kind of a little bull flag building. I think it's going up. Looks good to me. We will be buying dips in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Apple. But then there's gold. I've shown this to you in just about every video all last week, saying I think this is a complete fake out, and gold will probably end up trying to go lower. So this is your daily bar. I'm going to zoom in on this spot right here. Same chart, zoomed in, and this is what that would look like. That's the same thing, I think. That's a bear flag building, and I think it's going to work its way in here for a little while on Tuesday, and then boom, end up down there. That's what I'm looking for in gold. Of course, our stops will be in case we're wrong, but that's what I'll be looking for. And then we've got silver to back up gold. Remember this chart in last week's video, kids? I showed you that anytime you put one of these crazy extended bars in silver, where it runs up all day, turns around, runs back down, and settles by the lows, you generally get a pullback afterwards, right? Pullback comes after one of these almost every time. We had this. I showed it to you. I put the circle on it. I think a pullback will begin in silver as well. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you in my live trading room. Traders, Oscar, I'm back. Let's get moving. Okay, so there's this. You're going to find me in a live trading room every day, almost every night. If I'm not on my live camera and microphone, I'm typing, but I'm there. We run this thing from Sunday night, every day and night, all the way through Friday afternoon. We take a break Saturday, and we hit it again on Sunday. Would you like to hang out with me in that live trading room? Come to livewithoscar.com. Make sure you sign up. The trading room is free, but there's one catch. You've got to enable or allow Flash when you get to my trading room in your browser, no matter what browser you're using. Allow Flash, and that will enable you to see my camera and hear the microphone. So when you get to the live trading room, you'll see me typing, you'll see others typing. If you'd like to see what I'm saying, see what I'm doing on camera and hear what I'm saying, allow Flash in your browsers. Barring that, I'll tell you, please subscribe to my videos, and I will thank you ahead of time. Thank you for your comments. I will reply to them if you put them underneath this video. Thank you for coming to livewithoscar.com, and get ready for a rough and tumble week, because it's only Monday night for Tuesday's trading, right? Got a long way to go this week for the rest of the month and the rest of the year. Dukes up. Head down, nose to the grindstone, and on to the next trade, kids, and we'll see where we are at the end of the year. Thank you for tuning in. Keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to try to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. However, emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.